on light and shadows. Today I'm going to give you an idea with which you will create amazing, super cool pictures, and of course we will have a lot of fun. Roll the intro. Creating shadow pictures can be super simple, and we need a pretty simple setup. We have here several objects. Just collect a bunch of weird objects with holes so we can play with how the light goes through them. Don't have a powerful lamp, don't worry, we can use our smartphone, and with this backlight of our smartphone we can play with the shadows. Photography means literally drawing with light, but as you know, there are no lights without shadows.